Hi, today I'm going to show you another type of Fortnite tunneling. This is the advanced version of the previous one. First, build floor and roof, then followed by walls. This structure gives more protection compared to the last one, as you are fully covered. Here is how you should do when you need to make a turn. This tunneling method is good to use in the endgame. However, if you are poor in wall edits, you may get trapped or it may slow you down. If you are concerned that opponents may break in easily, here is a tip: build a ramp behind you. This will slow down your opponents and buy time for you to react. Likewise, when you want to make a turn, you may want to reset the wall at the side if you are able to do so, to ensure you are fully covered. Thanks for watching. I hope I have helped you. See you in the next video.